Let's see if I can show you anything. I'm gonna replace the fill valve. It's fading. First thing we do, remove this. Make sure you have something to catch with the water that's gonna fall out. I use a pair of pliers. Okay. If you can see. Alright. Sometimes it's that simple. You might not get any water when you take this one off. It's when you take this one off that the water starts to fall out. Okay? Put down on it. Catch that water. Okay? Now on this side. Now we take this one off. Okay? What I do is I push down on this to relieve the tension from here. Okay, so I push down. Keep pushing until you take this off. I keep pushing to hold the tension on the washer. Then I bring my cup up and water comes out. Hopefully not too much. Alright, here we go. Okay. I'm going to pause you for a second. Okay, back on top. We remove that one. Take this clip off. And there we go. Okay. You need this one so you can set this one at the same height. So whatever the height or length of this one is, you set this one to the same one. How can I explain this? See this part right here? These two? Right here's the ring. You pull that up and then you can pull this up or down. But as you can see, this one is actually pretty short. So I won't have to do anything to it. I'm going to leave it as it is. Okay, so I grab the nut. Oh, before I put it in, I insert the one end right there to here. See if I can do it with one hand. Yeah, there it goes. Wiggle it back and forth a little until it goes in. Okay, the washer's on. We'll stick it back in the little hole. Okay, and I'm going to want this about right there because this is going to go in here. Each one's a little bit different. Some use the clip they give you and you put it in, clip it on, and then you can insert that in here. This one has its own, so you just stick it in there. But I do that last. Anyway, back to this side. Okay, grab the nut that came in the bag. Okay, I push it from the top, tighten this. You might have to use the pliers. I use experience. You know, I've been doing this for so long. You can put it in there, tighten it. Oh, there it goes. Okay, and then we add this one. Customers come.